Credit Suisse swaps out CEO, launches method overview amid big Q2 loss. Zurich Credit Suisse named asset control professional Ulrich Korner as its new chief executive, the latest signal of churn on the Swiss financial institution that on Wednesday announced a strategic evaluation as it struggles to get over a sequence of scandals. Pressure have been mounting on present-day chief executive Thomas Gottstein for months over the scandals and losses racked up throughout his 2-year tenure, which have hammered stocks and angered buyers. In recent months, a few investors had called for Gottstein to get replaced, however the bank had resisted. News of a strategic evaluate with a view to in addition cut back its investment banking operations got here as Credit Suisse posted a 1.59 billion Swiss franc $1.65 billion second quarter loss, badly missing market expectancies. Analysts had predicted an internet lack of 206 million francs, in keeping with a consensus of 19 estimates compiled by way of the lender, which had warned in June of another quarterly loss as volatility and weak client flows hit its investment financial institution. Its CET1 fairness ratio stood at 13.5% of risk-weighted property, hitting its near-term target of 13.5% and almost on the 13.6% the marketplace predicted. That became below its 2024 goal for above 14% and its first quarter CET1 ratio of 13.8%. Our outcomes for the second region of 2022 are disappointing, mainly in the investment bank, and had been additionally impacted by means of better litigation provisions and other adjusting gadgets, outgoing chief executive Thomas Gottstein stated. Credit Suisse had described 2022 as a transition year wherein it is attempting to show the page on luxurious scandals that prompted a near-total reshuffle of top control and a restructuring in search of to curtail risk-taking, in particular in its funding bank, while bulking up wealth control. It has sought again and again to dampen hypothesis that it can be obtained or broken up amid area consolidation. In June, executives mentioned Credit Suisse may additionally move some of its key increased tasks in wealth management because it specializes in a chance turnaround and bolstering generation. Swiss rival UBS on Tuesday published a $2.1 billion second quarter earnings, smaller than expected as turmoil in economic markets harm its funding banking and wealth management companies. $1 equals 0.9614 Swiss francs.